Welcome. This short video will demonstrate the various methods of selecting text inside a Microsoft Word 2013 document. Before we begin, you should understand the difference between the left mouse button and the right mouse button. In addition to selecting text, the left mouse button is also used to change the position of the cursor inside the Word document. In this example, you can see that the cursor is in front of the letter D in front of the word deer. If I wanted to move the cursor to the word web, I would just move my mouse in front of the W and click on the left mouse button one time to change the position of the cursor. I can also use the left mouse button to select the different ribbons inside the Word document and make selections. The right mouse button is used to bring up shortcut menus. In this example, you can see that I have a misspelled word, design, because of the red squiggly lines. If I wanted to correct the spelling, I could right-click one time on the word design, and the shortcut menu for spell check comes up with the various spellings. I can then use my left mouse button to select the correct spelling one time. I will use my left mouse button to click the Save button to save my document. The left mouse button is also used to select text in different ways. For this example, I'm going to click one time on the Show Hide button so that I can see the hidden formatting symbols in this document. I'm going to position the cursor in front of the word deer. The first way that you can select text is simply by dragging over whichever word or letters that you want to select. I would place my cursor, and in this case in front of the letter D, and then holding down on the left mouse button, I can click and drag to the right. If I just want one word selected, I can drag back to the left. If I click one time with the left mouse button, that will deselect my text. The left mouse button is also used to select text by clicking, and there are three different clicks that you should be aware of. The first click, as demonstrated earlier, positions the cursor. That would be a single click. If you were to double click a word, you will see that the entire word and the space that follows it is selected. And if I triple click a word or an entire paragraph, triple clicking selects the entire paragraph, including the paragraph mark that follows it. If I single click again, that deselects the text and repositions the cursor. We can also use the keyboard to select text in conjunction with the mouse. With my cursor in front of the word deer, if I hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key, I can select a single letter or character at a time. If I hold down the Shift and Control keys and press the right arrow key, I can select entire words and the spaces that follow them. I'll reposition my cursor in front of the word deer, and if I just hold down the Control key and the right arrow key, I can actually jump from word to word, moving throughout the document. So as a review, you can use the mouse to select text by dragging with the left mouse button over whichever text that you would like to be selected. You can double click a word to select the word and the space that follows it, and you can triple click to select an entire paragraph and the paragraph mark that follows it. You can also use the various keys on the keyboard, such as Shift and the arrow key, to select single individual letters and characters, or Shift plus Control and the right arrow key to select entire groups of words or symbols. Hopefully this short review will help you with selecting text in a Word document and allow you to be more efficient in your word processing skills.